AI bots for PayPal. Beginner's $100 per day guide. Hey folks, welcome to Profitability Plus, your go-to channel for practical money-making insights. No fluff, just actionable tips to boost your income. If you're looking to make some serious PayPal money, you're in the right place. Stick around and let's dive into the good stuff. So, let's cut to the chase. If you've ever wondered how to turn your PayPal account into a thriving income source, here's the lowdown. In the last 7 days alone, I pulled in around £8,000. But let's zoom out a bit. In the last 30 days, it's £17,000. And over the past 90 days, a whopping £52,000. How did I manage this? Well, it's all about a game-changing online business model called affiliate marketing. But hold on, that's not all. I've got a few tricks up my sleeve involving powerful AI bots. If you're a beginner eager to kickstart your online money-making journey, you're in for a treat. I'll be sharing the 5 crucial things you need to know, the very things I wish I knew before raking in all this PayPal money. No time to waste. If you find value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay in the loop. Now, let's get straight to the meat of the matter. First things first, affiliate marketing. It sounds complicated, but it's straightforward. Find an affiliate offer, get someone to click your link, and bingo, you earn a commission. What makes it sweet? Minimal business side hustle. No customer service. No product building. The company you're promoting handles it. It's like passive income on autopilot. Now, let's talk AI bots. For beginners, ChatGPT is your ally. It's free and incredibly versatile. It's like having a virtual assistant. From answering questions to tackling complex tasks, like writing articles or scripting YouTube content, ChatGPT is a game changer. Another gem is Opus Clip, a wizard at turning long-form content into short, snappy pieces, perfect for various video content businesses. The key here is understanding the diverse bots available and finding the perfect fit for your business. Next up, traffic. You need people to notice your affiliate links. Social media and Google are your traffic buddies. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, X, Facebook, and YouTube, coupled with your blog websites, can be goldmines for earning passive income. Don't forget to build that email list as you grow your traffic. It's your direct line of communication with potential clients. Leverage the power of AI bots in creating short-form content for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, or even building an entire blog using AI website builders. Now, let's talk affiliate offers. The confusion about where to find them? Sorted! Popular affiliate networks like Impact.com, Partnerstack.com, and Amazon Associates offer a plethora of options. Whether it's supplements, info products, or software with recurring commissions, there's a fit for everyone. Digital products might be my preference, but choose based on the business you want to build. Last but not least, mindset matters. There's no magic button for instant wealth. Affiliate marketing, even with AI bots, demands effort. Put in the work consistently, and success will follow. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a solid path to making PayPal money even while you sleep. So there you have it, the 5 key things to know before diving into the world of PayPal riches. It's all about affiliate marketing, mastering AI bots, choosing your traffic method wisely, finding the right affiliate offers, and cultivating the right mindset. Now, go out there and turn those dreams of PayPal wealth into a reality. Now that you've grasped the fundamentals of making money with ChatGPT, let's delve into some actionable ways to put this powerful tool to work for you. Whether you're aiming to build a tech product, create eye-catching visuals, explore new business ideas, develop AI chatbots, or even become a prompt engineer, ChatGPT has got you covered. Let's break down each avenue and discover how you can turn your ChatGPT interactions into a lucrative venture. Looking to make a mark in the tech world without mastering complex coding languages? Say hello to ChatGPT. It's your ticket to transforming ideas into real products. Do you know Ior's Teferac? The Ukrainian entrepreneur who built a Chrome extension with zero coding knowledge. He pocketed $1,000 within 24 hours of lunch. With ChatGPT's step-by-step guidance, you can become a solopreneur, creating anything from a sleek HTML page to a checkout system with Stripe integration. Get ready to build your tech product empire in no time. And if you want to take things up a notch, consider ChatGPT Plus for access to the cutting-edge ChatGPT 4, a game-changer in code generation. ChatGPT just got even more versatile with DALL-E 3 support. Now you can harness its creativity to generate logos, illustrations, and sketches in seconds. No need to be a design guru. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. Start a professional service, crafting logos for companies and digital firms. It's a quick and efficient way to earn a secondary income without the steep learning curve of traditional design tools. Unlock the full potential of ChatGPT by tapping into its business idea generation prowess. Ask ChatGPT about side hustle ideas, share your expertise, interests, and challenges, and watch as it tailors unique business ideas just for you. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to generate new concepts for an existing venture, ChatGPT's insights can be the spark that ignites your entrepreneurial journey. AI-assisted chatbots are in high demand, and you can cash in on the trend. No programming skills required. ChatGPT can guide you through the process of creating a personalized AI chatbot. From training the AI to building the front end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to offer customized solutions. Stripe has already embraced ChatGPT for its virtual assistant. Start your journey to the world of AI chatbots and turn it into a profitable venture. For those well-versed in AI nuances, becoming a prompt engineer can be a lucrative career path. Compile the best ChatGPT prompts or create detailed prompts using ChatGPT Plus's Prompt Perfect plugin. Sell your expertise in understanding AI models and reverse prompt engineering. It's a niche, yet valuable skill that can set you apart in the world of AI art generation. If you're up for the challenge, dive into prompt engineering and let ChatGPT be your guide to making money in this evolving field. Ever wondered about untapped niches on the internet? ChatGPT has your back. Ask it to brainstorm video ideas within a specific category or sub-niche. Once you've got your concept, have ChatGPT whip up a script for your YouTube video. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Head over to Pictory.ai or InVideo.io and convert that text into engaging videos with AI-backed narration. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct approach, ChatGPT can generate AI videos for you. It's as simple as that. Create, edit, and transform your ideas into visually appealing content that can be swiftly published on YouTube. And voila! You've just opened another avenue to earn some extra income on the side. The power is in your hands, and with ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. So let's harness the potential of AI and take your content creation game to the next level. That's a wrap for today's Profitability Plus. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more money-making insights. Until next time, stay profitable.